Honestly, the things we boys do for this racing malarkey. So I've just come out today, got to change all the pipes over. I've got dash 8 feed, dash 6 return, bought all the bits. Torques were spectacular, I might add. Sent it over literally in a day. So now I've got to drain the tank down, pull this out, just what I wanted right in the last minute. But you know, these things have got to be done, so I need to get it done. Then to top it all off, if you look at the camper, we have a blown airbag. Fantastic on one side. So I just don't know if I can get this done in time, but quite literally, the race is on. I ain't got time to stand here and talk. I've got to get on with this thing. So, tank's drained, tank's empty. Cheeky little Chiltern Motorsport cap, I swear by these. Thank you, Andrew. Fantastic. Make life so much easier than ripping your nails off. Dash 6 line return, breather, that's got to be that. 8 return, that's what I'm told, so I'm doing it. So I've managed to remove everything with the very good help of my friend Justin. And now we've made these up, which is a masterpiece, I might add. One's meant to be slightly longer than the other. Sadly, I've only done it 5mm longer than the other. But it should all go under. Plan is twin pumps. So let's see if I can get you under there. Twin pumps. Goes into this. 2 dash 8s. Dash 10 all the way to the end of the car. Dash 8 all the way down. Let's crack on. Well, it took a lot longer than we thought, but we got there. No leaks. AN10 to the fuel rail, AN8 out to the regulator, 45 for the fuel pressure. AN8 back to the tank, and the job's a good one. No leaks. What do you boys think? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. So that's good. That's a result. That was a pretty good day, pretty all said and done. But you wouldn't believe I gave it a wipe over and it's so dusty so quick. It's unbelievable. Look at that. It's ridiculous. Look at the roof. Crazy. But it's better than it was. Gave it an empty out. Little Queensway clear out, so that's done. I'm going to put together a little box of bits I might need to take. That's kind of it really. Just waiting on the mighty charger. Don't want no excuses on a dead battery. Got to hoover that out, it's horrible. All said and done, that's a pretty good day. Thank you very much, Justin, for helping me. It's absolutely needed and fantastic. And it's fun as well. We had a laugh. Now it's just debatable whether I change tyres on the trailer. And also, what the hell am I going to do about the airbag on the mighty Seabot? Let's have a look. Oh God, that's not good. Airbag there on the right blows up. An airbag there on the left doesn't blow up. It's not ideal. It's a really simple system as well. Still not ideal. Managed to get that thing working. That thing there. Ridiculous. Just a matter of filling up the oil and the hydraulic works perfectly now. And that's it for Saturday. We're done. You're gonna like this. We ain't never, ever freezing again. Look at this bad boy. Full stat with a timer. And I'm absolutely cooking in it. It's perfect. We're never going to get cold again, D. We've nailed it. We've absolutely nailed it with this one. And it just unhooks. 240 volt only, mind you, but can't have it all. Aside from that, we've got the gas. But it's so much nicer. You've got the little remote, wherever the little remote is, there is. No. Where's the swing button? No. Little swing button opens and closes. Just nail it shut. Adjust the temperature. It's It's all thermostatically controlled. Result. Oh, I thought I was in trouble today for towing. I still might be. But it turns out the airbag on the left wasn't at fault. It was these little lines here. Just perished, it cracked. So I just cut it, shortened it for now. And that'll have to do. I did have 2 brand new airbags delivered to me from Amazon. But I don't want to fit them because I can't be bothered. And the time scale, I'd rather buy the correct kit. But that's the height now. It's a good height. It's like nose down now, so this is a good thing. Yeah, I'm chuffed to that. So that should make it a little bit better for towing. Being front wheel drive, obviously, nosing it downwards, we shall see. Oh, my grill came out smart as well. Look at that.